Oh, there's more. There's more. I see an ashtray. I don't see a trash can. Dang, this is cool. Oh, here I go. Does that say $13 for that bracelet? Also, I'm curious about these heads. I don't see the price. I'm gonna have to look at that. And then over here, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a tiny little purse. Again, I don't see the price. I'm curious though. This is perhaps the coolest thing I've found all day.
Yeah, and I love the back of it too.
Yeah, it is shell. It's antique. And then it's got the red lining. It is $19. And you know how cheap I am, but sold. Oh my gosh. $18 sold. That's a no-brainer. That is amazing. You know it's special when I'm paying over like $12 for something. And then, what about this mug? That's at $8. Cat mug, yes please. And then the Yeah mug, that's fantastic too. How much is this one? 16, can't do that. All right. Not even a foot in the door, and I've spent $60. How did I not see this first? Ringling Brothers, that's vintage, that's fantastic. I used to be obsessed with circus stuff when I was a kid. And the collars box. That's amazing. I always really like these. This has got some serious damage to it, and it's not my favorite graphic, and it's $42. So that's an easy pass at least. But alas, the Hold Howard ashtray, $68. Does it actually squeak? I've never seen one that actually squeaks. Well, unfortunately, at that price, I can't do anything with it really anyway. I love these glasses. Those are so fun. Set of 9, $20. That's super cheap. Totally retro. Oh my gosh, look at that Cheshire Cat. It's huge. And I'm not a big Raggedy Andy or Ann person. However, you know, I love my Margaret Holbrook. How much is that? $38. That's about retail. And over here, let me put my bag down. Look at all the vintage compacts. I'm gonna put my phone down and make sure they all have, oh, it looks like there's no mirror, but that's probably why they're so cheap. Missing mirror. Well, let me put the phone down. So alas, they were missing the mirrors. That's why they are priced as low as they are. I felt like that was probably too good to be true, because it was. I love this handkerchief. That is very pretty. What about this one? Oh, I love this stuff. I thought that was cherries on the other side for a second. Whoa, okay. Nothing really that's screaming for my attention. I do kind of want to get on the road again soon. That pottery lady is amazing. Oh my gosh, she's only $49 and she's Italian. It's fantastic. She's got some nicks though. Love the doll. Yeah, I do kind of want to get on the road because I thought I would be legit halfway to Kansas City right now. Oh my gosh, Dumbo. And I love the coffee grinders. Even though you guys don't usually see me look at that kind of stuff, you usually see me go for more stuff like this. Baby King, $8. Baby Queen, even better. Made in Taiwan. That's adorable. These don't sell for as much as the... Oh! Wait, stop. $6.95 sold. $6.95 sold. Old new stock Chupies. Big score. Yeah, I think this is fantastic. But I'm gonna put it down while I look down here because I see more Cupies. And this is much more exciting to me, honestly. $13 for the Cameo Cupie, and it squeaks. What about this? That's fantastic. Oh my gosh, that's so fantastic. I think I'm gonna get that too. I'm also noticing these 1930s lead Mickey and Pluto. That's mini. I'm gonna get a couple of these because I have a feeling, yeah, I'm gonna get 2 minis. All right. The trolls. Those are older ones, it looks like. But I usually don't do trolls. If I do, they're usually damn trolls. Yeah, those are amazing. All right, let me see. 10, 20, 33, 40. So I made the mistake once in Adamstown of leaving something like this behind. And this thing's in perfect condition. It's $12, which is insane. The fact that it's in pristine condition and it's got the Native American on it. I've never seen something like that before. My gut is telling me if I leave this one behind, I'm crazy. Because the one I wanted to get was a lady one. It was risque, and it was priced at like $30, and it sold for like $65. Another thing that isn't usually my thing is that box, but I love it. It looks like lollipop molds almost. And the Napco Bank. I almost picked up one of these the other day, and he's only $5. Sold. Oh my gosh, this planter. $11. Wait, vintage curler hamper. Oh, okay. I thought it was like a flower pot. It's very cute. Missing lid. I kind of want to get this, honestly. I still think it could be repurposed into something fantastic. And I love my vintage plastics. But, oh, I was looking at the swimming cap. And also, we have what appears to be another peacock bag. I'm sure it's... Oh, look at this one. Oh, I love that. This one's at $25. That seems really reasonable. Made in Hong Kong. That's so much fun. I can't tell if I'm buying this. Well, I want to buy this because it's a good deal or because I secretly want it for myself. I'm not sure about spending $25 on that. I love all that's happening here. And the red, white, and blue tutu. What is this? So sweet. Yeah, I'm really into that box purse. I think I could still make some money off of it, but it's definitely more than I'd like to have into it. I have a feeling I'd probably end up keeping it, and I don't need it. Bangles. Green bangle. Let's see if I can even reach this thing. It's priceless. Oh, I got it on though, at least without knocking the whole thing over. I'm not sure which way to turn first. Maybe this way. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, the basket. This looks Italian. I think this is fantastic. It is. At $10, I think that's totally reasonable. I think I could still even make a couple bucks on it. But alas, I haven't had the most luck with Italian pottery. Love this. The biscuit motif on that. Little Tupperware mushroom. It's just a lid though. This looks like Sasha Brastoff. Is that how you say it? Let's see. Mid-century Matthew Adams walrus vase. I love the walrus. Oh yeah. Huh. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Wow. Sold. At first I thought it was $13. I feel bad now because I was about to pay $13 for it. Wait, that's not it. What happened just now? Maybe it was $13. What in the world? Did anyone else just see? Where did the tag go? I'm so confused. Huh. I thought I was losing my mind for a second. Okay, so it was $5. That's an incredibly good deal. This Art Deco style graphic is really hard to find sold. So surprisingly, there's really not much in this clothing booth that catches my attention. The Italian bird box is nice, but that's at $20. So I actually think, wait, I need to look at the handkerchiefs actually. Grease, that's pretty. I just kind of feel like this might be the place. Oh no, it's expensive. All right, so I really would like to get on the road. Oh my gosh, stop it, so cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and check out. I'll see you guys outside. Absolutely fabulous. I spent $135 in there, and it looks like I'm about a 2-hour drive from my next antique mall and making my way towards Oklahoma City. It looks like I might even be able to get myself back on my time track. So I will see you guys in wherever I'm going, Arkansas. Well, I didn't make it very far. I'm on foot walking back to the antique mall. I don't know why, but maybe someone can help me. Alas, I have a flat tire. Well, here I am on the side of the road in Greenbrier, Arkansas. It is hot, and I've been very blessed. They were so nice to me at that antique mall, for real. I owe them one. They hooked me up with a guy who's gonna tow me for next to nothing to a guy that has a tire in stock and is gonna do it right now. My worst fear has happened. Yep, didn't make it very far.